Okay, guys, today we'll continue lesson 6, inequalities, page 377. Yesterday we started with this lesson, the inequalities. We talked the keywords. We talked about how we write the inequality. What's the inequality? Today, inshallah, we will go to the examples and the check questions to finish the lesson. So let's start with example 1. Example 1, page 379. Go. So we are on example 1, guys. Page 379. يلا who can read, who can solve؟ مين معانا؟ ريان أمجد. read يا ريان.
Okay.
يلا يا ريان. Example 1.
In some states, you must be at least 16 years old to have a driver license.
Good. In some states عشان يصير معك رخصة سيارة you need to be at least 16 years old. Do you understand the sentence يا ريان؟
Yes.
Continue. Right?
Write an inequality to represent the age at which you can have a driver license.
Do we know the age? Do we know the age?
Yeah.
How much?
16 years.
No. The age is at least 16, not equal to 16. Got me?
Okay.
They don't say the age should be equal to 16 years to have a driver license. طب اللي عمره 18 years ما بياخد driver license?
Yes.
So at least 16. Do we know the age?
No.
No. So what we will say here, let X be what?
Age.
The age, right?
Yeah.
Be the age. And they said the age, which is X, at least is how much?
16.
16. Now we have a table. I told you to memorize the table, remember?
Yeah.
Go to the table, guys, on the first page on the lesson, page 377. Here, the table. Where is the word at least? Where is it? Here is it, right?
Yeah.
At least. What we will use? This inequality, more than or equal. So at least we will use what? More than
or equal.
So X, the age is at least 16, but the age I give it what?
X.
So what's the inequality?
16 plus X or X plus 6.
يبني. The age is at least 16. What's the meaning of the word at least حكينا؟
more than or equal.
طيب the age شو عطيناها؟
The age we give it X.
X. So X at least 16. بدل at least شو حنحط؟ more than or equal. شو صارت الانكواليتي؟ Tell me.
X more than or equal 16.
Bas, this is the inequality. Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Do you understand it?
Yes, yes.
Good boy. So guys, X more than or equal 16 means the age should be more than or equal 16 so you can get a driver license. This is example 1, page 379. Now let's go to the check. After example 1, we have check. Let's do it together. Check. After example 1, guys. Yell. This is example 1. Who can read with me the check? Yell. Sulaiman.
Yes, Mr. A certain hotel only permits dogs that weigh less than 50 pounds.
Less than 50 pounds. يعني إذا الكلب وزنه less than 50 pounds, he can permit the dog, right?
Yes.
Good, continue.
To stay with hotel guests, write an inequality that can be used to represent the weight W of dogs that are permitted to stay at the hotel.
Good. Do we know the weight?
No.
the weight is less than 50, but they don't say the weight equals to 50, right?
Yes.
They give the weight W, right?
Yes.
So let W, what we will say, let what?
Let W the amount of weight.
Good. Let, sorry, let W
W
be
be the amount of
the
weight.
weight, right?
Yes.
Read it again. They said the weight less than how much?
50 pounds.
So what's the inequality for the weight?
W less than 50.
W less than 50. This is the answer. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Copy. This is the check, guys. It's easy idea. This is the check. Now let's go to example 2 together. It's easy.
Mister, in check you write less than because they write less than,
Yeah.
not like in the first example least.
ما هو ماشي. At least means what? ما هي
More
more
than
than
or
or
equal.
equal. It has more than, like the addition. The addition, it has sum, it has total, right?
Yeah.
It has a lot of words, right?
Yes.
So more than or equal, it has more than or equal, at least, no less than, something like this. They are keywords. From where we get the keywords? From where?
The table.
From the table. حكيت لكم memorize the table. احفظوه صح؟
Yeah.
يلا. Now let's go to example 2, guys, which is on page 381. 381. Before we go to the example number 2, I want to just tell you how we graph the inequality, guys. How we graph the inequality. So focus with me here, please. To graph the inequality. Focus, guys. It's important one. Now, I'll take 2 examples or 3, whatever. They are easy. To graph the inequality, we will use the number line. We will use the number line. Now, if we want to graph, for example, x more than 5, how we graph this inequality? I will go to the number line and I will search about the 5 and I will say here, I will look here. Do we have equal sign with the more than? No. If we don't have equal sign, guys, we put open circle on the number like this. Not like this. No, on the number, على line, like this. Now, let's read the inequality. X more than 5. If we have more than, guys, we graph like this to the right of the number. To the right of the number. Okay? Another example. If I want to graph this one, مثلا, y more than or equal 2. Y more than or equal 2. I will go to the number line to the 2. Now, compare here, guys. Here, there is no equal sign, so I put open circle. Here, I have equal sign with the more than. So I will put a closed circle like this on the number. Closed circle. Now read the inequality. Y more than or equal to. More than means to the right. Like this. So both are more than. One of them without equal sign, one of them with equal sign. Without equal sign, open circle. With equal sign, closed circle, like this. Now, another example. Focus, guys, focus. If we have this one, مثلا 8, guys, yesterday we said you always read from the variable. يعني here, where is the variable? Here, x. X more than 5. Don't say 5 less than x. No. Always read from the variable. Now here, where is the variable, guys? The variable is t. So read it from t, not from the 8, from t, okay? Now let's read it. What we say, t less than 8, t less than 8, not 8 more than t, no. Read it from the variable, t less than 8. So how I will graph it? I will go to the 8. Because I have no equal sign, I will put open circle like this. Now t less than 8. We said if the variable more than, we go to the right. T less than 8, we go to the left because it's less than. So if we have less than, we go to the left. More than, we go to the right. We have equal sign, we put close circle. No equal sign, we put open circles, okay? It's easy one. It's easy one. Now we always read from the variable, always. If you say more than, go to the right. Less than, go to the left. This is the idea of graphing. I will go to example 2 now. Example 2, it is on page 381. I'll read the question, guys. They said graph inequality x less than negative 5.75. Look here, guys, and focus, please, to understand. Graph the inequality x less than negative 5.75. Now down here you have what? The number line which you want to work on, okay? Down. Now, I will make a line. Now, if you search on the table, you won't have negative 5.75. But the negative 5.75, it's between two numbers, between negative 5 and negative 6. It's here, right? It's here تقريبا. Round it. Now, this is our number here. Let's read the inequality. X less than this number, okay? Here is negative 5.75. X less than negative 5.7. Do we have equal sign? No. So we put a open circle. X less than, we go to the left. So we graph to the left like this. This is example 2. Let's go to the check after example 2 and do it together. Check after example 2. Yeah. يلا مين معاي؟ محسن.
Yes, Mr.
يلا يا محسن. The check after example 2. First,
Yes.
محسن, do you understand everything?
Yes, yes.
يلا. Go to the check after example 2. Graph.
Okay. Graph the inequality x more
X more than 1 and
2 over 5.
good. Now in the number line, do we have 1 and 2 over 5?
Yes, we have.
هاي هون صح? 1 and
Yes.
2 over 5. Now tell me, what I will write? Open circle or a closed circle?
Open.
Open, because there is no equal sign. I will go to the right or to the left?
No, right, Mr.
To the right, because we have what? X more than, so we'll go to the right like this.
Easy,
Do you
Mr.
understand it?
Yes.
Excellent boy. This is the check, guys. Do it. Do the check, guys, please. Let's go to example 3 with Ammar. Read Ammar.
Okay. Graph inequalities. It graphs the inequality x more than equal to over 5.
x more than or equal 2 over 5. Yeah, do we have 2 over 5 in the number line down? Do we have 2 over 5 in the
Yes.
number line here? Where is it? Here, right?
Yeah. Yes, here. Put a dot
Not
or a
dot.
circle. I mean circle. Circle.
Circle.
Closed circle.
Open or closed?
Closed.
Closed means like this.
Yes.
خليها مبينة. Now, read the inequality.
X more than equal 2 over 5.
More than, I will go to the right or to the left?
To the right.
To the right. So I will graph like this. خربش, This is example 3. Let's go to the check after example 3 together. The check after example 3. أبي أنت أبي لا مش أبي مين الكاتب I don't understand
أنا مستر
What's your name
عدنان.
يلا يا عدنان What's your question شو اللي مش فاهمه أنت
تبعت لي الجراف.
الجراف يا مستر more than we go to the right less
إيش
than
تعرف إذا more than أو less than؟
طيب أنا بحكي لك more than we go to the right less than we go to the left في مشكلة
شلون عم تعرف إذا more than أو less than؟
كيف بعرف إنها more than هذه إيش هذه read it read this read يا ابني
check.
يا ابني read the inequality I check read the inequality
X 1 2
هذه
over
ايش
5.
هذه ايش
البقر تبعت البقرة من نفس
مستر 7 و9 ها read it
ما أكبر.
طيب read this شو what we say يا ابني what we say 9 more than 7 مش هيك طيب read this
X more than 1 2 over 5.
طيب read this
X less than minus 5.74.
طيب read this one
8
no we said always read from the variable you read يلا
T less than 8.
here read this one
Y bigger than 2.
or equal more than or what
Equal.
now do you understand more than or less than خلاص yeah now if we don't have equal we put open circle see it
Yeah.
like this one if we have equal with the sign we put a closed circle got it
Okay.
now more than we go to the right less than we go to the left
Okay.
بس
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 ما في رقم answer أو شيء.
لا هذا بس جراف
لكن حليت. بغير اسمي.
do the check انت do the check يلا read the check يا ابني. راح. لا اله الا الله. خلص لحاله بيعمل ميوت تيك لحاله. طيب يوسف عامر read.
Yes, mister.
read يوسف.
Read the check.
The check
Prove
after
the-
example 4. After example 3, sorry.
Okay. Graph the inequality x bigger or smaller or equal
هذه
0.
لا لا لحظة لا bigger smaller or equal ايش هذه؟ شو bigger smaller or equal؟ هذه جديدة.
No, mister. I mean,
X and here what we have negative 0.75 right?
yes.
يلا read X what's this?
Bigger.
يا ابني
Yes.
مين يا ابني مين البيجر اللي مفتوحة
ده-
عليه؟ مين البيجر؟
The
الاكس ولا نيجاتيف
negative
0.75؟
negative 0.
يلا read it again. شو بنحكي X؟
X
ايوه
and bigger negative 0.
يا ابني ما انت بتحكي البيجر نيجاتيف 0.75 كيف اكس بيجر؟ واتس ذس يا ابني؟ يا ابني مين الكبير؟ مين الكبير؟ جاوبني مين الكبير؟
negative 0.
يا الكبير نيجاتيف 0.75 رايت؟
Yes.
يلا read the inequality.
X negative 0.
يا ابني what's this؟ هذه ايش هذه؟
This
What?
tell you who's the larger and who's
خلك من اللاين هذا. هذه ايش هذه؟ اقرا اكس ايش؟
X
تعال هون يا ابني تعال هون. read this from the 9. read it from the 9.
inequality.
read from the 9 يا ابني. read
9
ايوه
larger
يا ابني مش larger في more than. لا اله الا الله. في
More
more than وفي less than. هذول
More
هم.
than.
تحكي ليش smaller or larger. يلا read from the 9.
9 more than
أيوة.
7.
طب احكيها من ال7 شو بنقول؟
7 less than 9.
طيب تعال هون اقرا من x.
X less than 0. Negative 0. 0.
يا ابني اقرا النمبر زي الخلق. ايش مالك انت؟
Yes, mister.
يا ابني اقرا النمبر. read the number. read it. x less than what? read.
75.
negative 0.75. that's how we read.
Negative 0.75.
ما قالش بوينت مش مشكله. now when we put a sign like this شو بنصير نحكي؟ x less than or equal negative 0.75. got it?
Okay.
read this. read it.
This X
ايوه
X larger more than
ايوه
2.5.
هذه 2.5. هذه 2
Yeah,
over 5.
2 over 5.
x more than 2 over 5. but we have this line شو بنحكي؟ x more than or equal 2 over 5. got it?
Got it.
يلا let's graph this one now. how we graph؟ هذه النيجاتيف 0.75. tell me what I will put, open circle or a closed circle here?
Close.
Close, because we have equal sign, we put a closed circle. Now x less than negative 0.75. when we have less than We go to the right or to the left?
Then we go to the left.
Left. So high left, like this. Do you understand, Yabni?
Yes.
Yalla, copy. This is the check, guys, after example 3. Copy it.
Mr.
Yes.
I don't understand very well.
Mr. more than or less than يعني ايش اعمل يعني؟ Read x more than 5 y more than or equal to. ايش المشكلة؟ ايش المشكلة؟ يعني شو الشيء اللي انت مش فاهمه؟ ايش هو؟
This, like this. I don't understand very well.
الجراف
Yes.
more than we graph to the right, less than we graph to the left. Okay?
Okay.
Now, if we have equal beside the less than or more than, we put a closed circle. If we don't have equal, we put open circle. Got it?
Got it.
Look here. Do we have equal with the more than?
No.
So I put open circle. I have more than, I graph to the right of the number, not the left. The left for less than. I have more than. Do you understand?
I understand.
Now we always read it from the variable, not from the number. Yani don't say 5 less than x. No, we say what? X more than 5. Got it? Hope that.
Yes.
This is the check and example and the check. Let's go to example 4 together. بسرعة, because I'm running out of time, guys. Example 4. I will do check 4 because it has the same, the check after example 4, because I'm running out of time. It has the same idea of the example. So the check, guys, is on page 384 up. 384. Do it with me, please. Do it with me, please. Now we have which of the following are solutions of the inequality? We have C plus 28, C plus 28 more than Yusuf.
Yes.
ركز. 72. Beside it here we have numbers. The numbers are
44, 45, 46.
5 or 46. Focus, guys, عشان تفهم. Focus. Now, how we know the solutions of the inequality, guys? What we will do, look here. Focus. This is the inequality, and this is the choices. We will take the first number and replace it by the variable, which is C here. Any variable, C, X, Y. Now, C will be what? 44. Then calculate. If the answer is more than 72, then 44 is solution. If the answer is not more than 72, then the 44 is not solution. So let's start with the 44 first. Replace C by 44. Plus 28. How much? 44 plus 28. Let's calculate. 44, 28, 2, 1, 7. 72. Is 72 more than 72? Is 72 more than 72? No.
No, equal.
72 is not more than 72. Then 44 solution or not solution? 44 is not solution. Let's see 45. Replace C by 45. 45 plus 28. It will be 73. It will be 73. Type 73 more than 72 or not
Yes.
more than? No, more than 72. Yes. Then The 45 هذه is what? Is a solution. Let's check the third number, 46. بدل C بنحط 46 plus 28, it will be 74. Is 74 more than 72?
Yes.
Yes. Then 46 is a solution. So to know if the given number is the solution, guys, we do like equation. We check. Replace the variable by the value, then calculate, then see. If yes, it is solution. If no, it is not solution. Let's check, guys. After example 4, page 384, copy it quickly, please. Now, these are the ideas of today, guys. Do the homework on page 389. Don't forget your homework. And tomorrow, don't forget your online assignment. Tomorrow, Thursday at 2 p.m. And if you don't understand anything, guys, you can ask me on Classera about this lesson, okay? Thank you so much and have a good day. And if you don't understand, guys, you can ask me in the next period also. It's okay. Just study, watch the video again, and hope you understand everything. And I'm ready to receive your questions anywhere you want. Thank you and goodbye.